Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to download CapCut in PC from official website. So without further delay, let's get started. Hello! Open your browser, search CapCut for Windows. Now click on third link, this link. It's showing not found because in Indian server it is not available for now. Open a new tab and search for Urban VPN. You can go for also Chrome extension, but now let's go with Urban VPN only. You can see on the top nav bar there are many type of system. So my system is Windows, so I just click on Windows. Download started. You can see download has started. Let's wait for some time. Download completed. Let's install it now. My system is little bit slower, so it's loading. Let's wait for some time. Yes, welcome to Urban Setup Wizard. Click on next, agree and continue. Yes, install. Now we have to wait. It's installing its packages. Urban VPN is a VPN which will help us to download CapCut. So it has successfully installed. Now open it. Click on continue with free. Started. Click on ignore. Click here to connect with US server. Before clicking this button, you must select United States. Now go back to CapCut website. Refresh the page. It's loading. Now it's working. The official CapCut website is showing us.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Now click on download button. Download completed. Let's start the installation process. It will take more time, so wait for complete installation. I think my internet connection is much slower, so it will take much time to complete. So let's wait for completion.
2,000 years later.
I have just fast forwarded the video. Now installation completed. It will open soon. Yes, it has opened. Your computer can run CapCut smoothly. It has successfully launched. You can see this. It is the official version of CapCut. You can see this. So many types of features are there, but if you want to use any AI feature, so you have to go for CapCut Pro. Otherwise, you can use it for free. Before using this, make sure you should connect the VPN to US server to make it work properly.
Thanks! Love you!